Welcome, fam. If you woke up feeling tight, foggy, or already behind, that's not laziness. It's your nervous system stuck in yesterday's tension. This flow is how we shift gears back into presence, posture, and peace. Let's hit the mat. Calm tall fours, shoulders stacked over wrists, hips over knees. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest, exhale. Round your spine, tuck your chin. This movement doesn't just wake up your spine, it resyncs your breath and body. You've been holding tension in your back without even noticing. This is where we release it. I promise this flow brings your spine back online and floods your brain with fresh oxygen before the stress even has a chance to start. Beginners, keep the movement small and focus on your breath. Advanced stretches, exaggerate the arch and curve for deeper release. Your spine communicates with every other system in your body. If it's locked, so is everything else. Breathe deeper. Can you slow the exhale even more? That just cleared the static. Now let's activate length. Tuck your toes, press your hips back up into downward dog. Heels drop gently toward the mat. Paddle your feet out to find space. This isn't a flexibility test, it's a nervous system recalibration. I promise this pose elongates your back line, opens your shoulders, and flushes tension out through the calves, hamstrings, and spine. Beginners, bend your knees and focus on spine length. Advanced stretches, press your chest closer to your thighs and hold stillness. Here's a surprising fact. Your hamstrings tighten when your nervous system is stressed. This pose releases both. Hold for 5 more seconds. Feel your body waking up. That just reconnected your back line. Now let's drop into the hips. Slowly walk your feet forward, hang into a fold. Let your head be heavy. Let gravity do the work. Your spine decompresses, your hamstrings soften, your thoughts slow down. I promise this stretch restores circulation to your brain, eases back stiffness, and grounds your nervous system. Beginners, keep a bend in the knees and rest your arms on your shins. Advanced stretches, grab opposite elbows and gently sway. Do you feel that space opening between your breath and your mind? Hold 5 more seconds. Let the weight go. That just unlocked your back. Now let's loosen up your hips. Sit down, knees bent, feet flat, wider than hip width. Drop your right knee towards your left foot, then come back to center and alternate sides. Slow, controlled. This is your hips learning to move without your lower back taking over. I promise this move builds stability, reveals imbalances, and helps realign posture from the base up. Beginners, use your hands behind you for support. Advanced stretches, sit taller, reduce support, and slow the tempo. Did you know this simple motion can prevent future hip and back pain? Hold the inward rotation for 5 more seconds. That's your hips recentering. Let's open the front body and seal it strong. Come to kneeling or standing. Clasp your hands behind your back. Pull them down and back. Open your chest and lift your heart. This is how we fight slouch. This is how we reclaim presence. I promise this posture resets your upper spine, restores lung capacity, and reverses pressure your body's been absorbing. Beginners, hold a towel or band between your hands. Advanced stretches, slightly lean back while keeping your ribs engaged. Can you stay in this open posture for 5 full breaths without letting your shoulders rise? Breathe in, stand taller. That's the difference between tension and truth. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without the obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. And it's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to begin your free 3-day reset now. And then when you're ready, if those 3 days wake up something in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with a full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, a deeper reset. Weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and most importantly, God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.